This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 353 VRK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, slide-out, oven, water heater, TV antenna, smoke detector, awning, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 353 VRK is 11,750 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.